Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can create your account on OKCupid. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do simply we need to go to the Google Chrome, and after going to the Google Chrome, we have to write the name here. So as you can see, I'm going to write the name, and after writing the name, as you can see, the website is here. Now simply we have to click on the website. So let's click on it. And after clicking on the website, as you can see, now the website is here. Now simply what we have to do, if you want to join this, as you can see, has a join option. So we have to click on the join, and now we need to provide the email address. So I'm going to choose this one, and after that, as you can see, let's click on the next. And we have to provide the first name here. So I'm going to mention my first name. Let's write the first name and then click on the next. We have to choose the country, like the France or whatever you are using. And then you have to choose the city as well. For example, I'm going to choose my city like this. And let's click on the next. We have to click on the next. As you can see, now let's choose the city and let's click on the next. As you can see, now we have to choose the gender here. So I'm going to choose the man, and then we have to choose the I want to deal women, and let's click on the next, and let's choose our date of birth here. Now we have to click on the next, and let's say we have to create the password here. So I'm going to add my password. Let's click on the next. After clicking on this, as you can see, it will take a few seconds in generating our account. So we have to wait until it generates. So as you can see, now it's generated. As you can see, now we have to desire relationship. So new friendship, short-term dating, long-term dating, or you have to choose new friends, and you have to hookups, and let's click on the next. And after that, as you can see, what ages I'm going to cut this one, and let's cut this. What ages are you to open to dating? As you can see, to 18 to 28. So let's click on the next. As you can see, now we have to add our photo. So I'm going to click on this, and we have to add our photo. So let's click on the my PC. And now I'm going to document section, and we have to choose our photos. So let's choose those. So as you can see, I'm going to upload these random photos like this one. So let's upload this, and let's click on the next. As you can see, now we have to choose another photo. Let's click on the my PC, and we have to choose another photo again. And then we have to click on the next, and now we have to provide the about summary. So as you can see now, we have to click on the get started. So our account is created. As you can see, do you think it's important to have an emotional and connection before physical? Yes, we have to answer these few questions. As you can see, we have to answer these questions. Are you ready? Settle down. We have to answer these questions. For example, let's click on the absolutely. And now, do you enjoy discussing politics? Let's click on the yes. And we have to some other an astrological sign. We have to yes. Let's choose this. So as you can see now here, we have to provide our contact number. So I'm going to provide my contact number here. As you can see now, simply we have to click on the next, and we will get the verification code, and we have to add that code here. As you can see, and after adding that code, our account will be created. So in this way, you can create your account on OkCupid. I hope you guys understand this video that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.